What's up, YouTube? Do you want a way to make money online without having to create a YouTube channel or even an email list and actually get better open rates and conversion rates than you can get with either of those? If so, stay with me. I got something super special for you in my review of 24-Hour Commission Academy. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. And you know what that means? That's because I wear a fedora, well, everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you already see my opening bit, feel free to skip ahead. But if you are new to the channel, then what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why do I do that? Well, because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is a very interesting course. I really like it. Now stop complaining. He complains all the time. He's so annoying. I can't stand that guy. He does it every day. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you are new to the channel, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I mean, see, Liz says the same thing every day, but I love Liz. She's such a sweetheart, If you watch the beginning of 30 Rock, she buys all those hot dogs because she wants to reward all the good people. That's a sweet person. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, to subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for 24-Hour Commission Academy. Now, I'm not a big fan of this title. I know why they're doing it, but I think that that's a little bit of a misnomer. We can see here some of the sales numbers. And these numbers are real numbers. You can definitely do these kind of numbers. It's not hard to do these affiliate stats, okay? This is definitely doable with this method. It is going to take a bit longer to get started than 24 hours, but once you get started, you can see these kind of numbers every 24 hours. It's not that hard to do. And the cool thing is that this does not involve anything to do with building an email list, has nothing to do with creating a YouTube channel or even an Instagram account. Actually, you can do the whole thing completely, totally for free. And basically, all you need is a Facebook account. They're going to show you how this actually all works, basically using Facebook chat. They're going to show you free methods for doing this, a free method for building a buyer's list, which is super important, by the way, because a buyer's list, actually people buy. You want people who buy stuff. You do not want people who are going to go ahead and take a look and then not buy anything. You want people to buy. And in order to get people to buy, you want a buyer's list. They're going to show you how to do it. Okay. Now, they are going to teach you a couple of things that are very interesting. They're going to talk about setting up a second Facebook account. In my custom bonus, what I'm going to do for you is like this. I'm going to show you how you can set up a second Facebook account and not have to get closed down. Because I know a lot of people say, oh, I can't set up a second Facebook account, it gets closed down. I'm going to show you what to do in order to make sure that does not happen. I'm also going to give you things that you can give away that in order to help you to build up your own list on Facebook, your friends list on Facebook, things that people are going to actually want that you can easily give away. And the rest of it, they're going to show you the members area in just a minute. I'm also going to give you 8 different bonuses worth about $1,000 that my buddies Aiden and Fergal, yes, they are both Irish.
Guy's got the luck of the Irish.
Yes, they have the luck of the Irish. Anyway, have given me to give you. But I also want to show you over here real quick in the members area. It's a nice, clean members area. You can see, if you're familiar, this is obviously made using ClickFunnels. Very, very simple members area, easy to follow. There's not a whole lot here, so basically going to show you how to set everything up. I would ignore some of these offers. They're actually going to show you, by the way, one of the things they're going to show you here is how to choose an offer. Another bonus that I'm going to actually give you is that you are going to have the exclusive right to be able to promote one of my products. I do not let anybody else promote this product. This is a recurring offer which costs $10 per month. Some of you may actually already have a copy of it from me. It's a great product. It's a really high quality product, which I love. And I'm going to offer you the chance to get 50% commissions on it. You can promote it using the method that you're going to learn in 24-Hour Commission Academy. And I'm not giving that to anybody else. In order to get it, you will have to tell me in your request that you have purchased 24-Hour Commission Academy from my affiliate link, and then you'll be approved. Anybody else who requests it will not be approved, and so you're going to be exclusively eligible for that. And as far as traffic is concerned, they're going to actually suggest to you over here in the driving traffic section. They're going to suggest to you somebody named Wayne Crow. Wayne is a great guy. Don't get me wrong; he has great traffic. I'm going to give you somebody who is better and actually cheaper for traffic than Wayne is. I'm not familiar with Guy Peltox. I don't know him. I can't recommend him, but I can tell you Wayne is great, but he's kind of pricey. I'm going to give you somebody who's actually cheaper, who has traffic that is just as good as Wayne's traffic, and it really does convert quite well. I have had very, very good results using this other person's traffic. I'm going to give that to you as well in my own custom bonus, which you'll be able to get, by the way, immediately once you go ahead and sign up for 24-Hour Commission Academy. Right now, I think it's like for like $9. So it's super duper cheap, and it's really a great product. Oh, and one more thing. I'm also going to give you the current issue of my newsletter. And basically, what you're going to be able to do is promote my newsletter. That's the offer that I'm going to suggest to you that you can promote. I'm going to give the current issue a chance to see what it's about, and you can take a look and see the high quality of my newsletter and how inexpensive it is for what people are getting. You're going to have the exclusive right to promote it. Nobody else has the right to promote it, not even super affiliates. I do not let anybody else promote my newsletter directly through the newsletter link. You're the only ones who are going to get it. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if I'm going to give the tip of my hat to the product creator.
Going to be magically delicious.
Yes, just like Lucky Charms, this course is magically delicious for $9. You really can't go wrong. It's a great product. You get some great bonuses with it. Go ahead and grab it. You really are going to love it.